Welcome to the Minneapolis College Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning and Refrigeration HVACR program. Now we're going to go into Minneapolis College information. Minneapolis College is very affordable. General education courses are $185.20 per credit as of right now. We have over 100 programs with flexible scheduling and small class sizes, 25 to 1 student to faculty ratio. We have over 9,000 full and part-time students, and our campus is very diverse. We have over 80 languages spoken on campus, and the ages range from right out of high school or some that are still in high school up through senior citizens. Our programs are divided into schools. Schools that fit your goals. School of Business and Economics, School of Design and the Arts, School of Education, Public and Human Services, School of Information Technology, School of Liberal Arts and Culture, School of Nursing, Health Science and Wellness, School of Science and Math, and School of Trade Technology. HVACR falls under the Trade Technology School. How to get started. Step number 1, apply online and pay the $20 application fee. Step number 2, determine course placement in one of the following ways. First-time college students submit high school transcripts in any ACT, SAT, or MCA scores. Students with previous college credit submit official college transcripts. Students out of high school 10 or more years or have a GED needs to do the directed self-placement. Step number 3, sign up for courses through e-services. Registration sessions available if you want assistance. Step number 4, apply for financial aid or pay for your courses. Minneapolis College has several resources available to you. We do have tutors available. We have a career services that will help you write resumes, and they have a job bank to search for jobs. Accessibility Resource Center if you need accommodations, academic advising to help you with registration, and a student support center and a health center on our campus. Now we're going into the Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning and Refrigeration HVACR program information. There are 3 award options for the HVACR program. One is an Associate of Applied Science degree, which is 72 credits. Technical credits 57, general education credits 15. There's also a diploma, 45 credits. Technical credits 42, general education 3. And there's also a certificate, which is 18 credits. And this is the only 18 credit program in Minnesota. The HVACR Classroom Training Lab is the largest in Minnesota at a combined 24,000 square feet of lab space. The training lab includes a state-of-the-art indoor air quality and ventilation training house located within the HVACR lab. There's also a solar energy training lab, the only HVAC program in Minnesota with a solar thermal training. Lab is used for thermal solar energy system training in HVACR. The program is a fall start with day and evening class options, a combination of lecture and hands-on lab instruction. Course sections are taught by experienced and certified instructors. Offers flexibility for students, i.e. if a student can't make their day section class, they can notify the instructor and attend the evening section to experience the same material. Program recognitions. Highest percentage of graduates chosen to enter the Minneapolis Pipe Fitters Apprenticeship Training Program of any other Minnesota HVACR program. continually updates equipment and curriculum to reflect industry changes, and is the most advanced HVACR training lab in Minnesota. One of only 3 programs in Minnesota to receive the highest level accreditation from HVAC Excellence. Active in Skills USA, the campus program has had many student winners at state in the HVACR competition and 1 national winner. What you will learn: diagnose problems, perform repairs, and conduct maintenance on residential and commercial HVACR systems. Diagnostic and repair procedures for HVACR equipment, and train to fabricate sheet metal, copper, plastic, and steel piping. Prepares students to work with advanced electrical controls, heat recovery ventilators, air cleaning devices, sophisticated air measuring equipment, and carbon monoxide testing instruments. Receive solar energy training in thermal solar technologies. Estimated program cost. Program tuition and fees are $185.20 per credit. This program is eligible for financial aid for qualified students. Additional approximate costs include books, $400, tools, $1,000. Next is tuition cost and financial aid. Minneapolis College is affordable. Tuition and fees. Course tuition with fees added per credit. General education courses, $185.20 per credit. Online courses, $204.90 per credit. Nursing courses, $219.30 per credit. Aircraft technician and cinema courses, $262.55 per credit. Ways to pay for college: federal and state aid, grants, loans, student employment. Apply at www.fasfa.gov, scholarships, minneapolis.edu/scholarships, payment plans, and tuition reimbursement. Follow-up contact information. In admissions, it's Julie Nicholas. Email address, julie.nicholas@minneapolis.edu. Phone number, 612-659-6205. Academic advisor is Neangela Edwards. Email address, neangela.edwards@minneapolis.edu. Faculty contact is Greg Skudlerick. His email address is greg.skudlerick@minneapolis.edu. Veteran Certifying Military Benefits contact Renee Cannon. Email address renee.cannon@minneapolis.edu. Thank you. To find out more information, please go to minneapolis.edu.